cloth. You're going to set the bullet on top. This lubricates the bullets. You want to hit it a couple times to make sure you get the gunpowder down there. The cloth, you put it on top of the barrel. Put the bullet on top. And just get your ramrod and ram it all the way down. You want to mark where it's marked off right there, the distance and the ramrod, so you make sure you don't have too much gunpowder. Next, you need a little cap. Put the cap on top, and your last thing, make sure you put earplugs, and you're set to go. It's a .50 caliber Blackhawk. Kicks up quite a bit, and it's loud.